Alright, let's get started. Let's make our hamburger patties. So I added Just Love Special Blend here, and I added 2 tablespoons of that. So secret mix. You can also add salt and pepper. Make sure to incorporate that in your burger. Mix it around, and after this, I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for probably about 15 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna make these patties into 5-ounce patties. So with everything, I was able to make about 4 patties out of them. Let's cook up the burgers. So I got the pan preheated at medium-high heat. So you're gonna want to sear it for about 3 minutes on each side until you get a nice crust on there. Alright, let's flip this. Okay, see those crusty edges? You're probably going to want them to be a little darker than that. Alright, we're going to melt some butter here now. And we are going to add our mushrooms. So we're going to want to saute this and add a little salt and pepper and a little butter. So as you can see, I added some spices here. So we got chipotle seasoning from Spice World. Alright, we're gonna melt more butter here, and now we're gonna caramelize our onions. Alright, so we're gonna go low and slow with this. So low heat. You're gonna want to stir it around until all the onions are coated in your butter, and just do the waiting game. Alright, here, so after 10 minutes, you see them, they're a little golden brown now. We're going to want to add a little bit of water to this, just to kind of liquefy them. And salt and pepper for seasoning, so probably another 5 minutes and we're all good. Alright, we're almost here. We're gonna melt some cheese, so I grated at least a quarter cup of marbled cheese, and we're just gonna let it melt and make a good crust out of it. So you're Alright, so it's getting a little better here, so yeah, just take your spatula and kind of move it around. You don't want to burn the bottom. And boom! We got fried cheese. Alright, so we got black garlic here. Also from Spice World, thanks Aaron. And we're gonna add some 2 tablespoons of mayo. We're gonna smash it up until we have a good consistency. And we're also gonna add half a lemon. So squeeze that in there, swish it around, and we want to also add some seasoning, so salt and pepper as well. So here we go. Alright, so check this out. So I've pounded it, and you see how there's a different kind of darker color now. And now I'm gonna add some cilantro. So this is my black garlic and cilantro aioli. So this is gonna be a good mix with our burger. Alright, so we're just gonna toast our buns, and we're pretty much ready to go and build this burger. So I didn't even butter the bread. I'm just using the oil from the pan. So let that soak up. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's build our burger. This is the Just Love Burger Week. All right, so we're just gonna add the black garlic cilantro aioli on one side. And make sure to lather that right on there. The more the better. It's also gonna add some moisture to the burger. And then from here we're gonna add our sauteed or caramelized onions, which we let cook, which we've cooked for 20 minutes. So the more onions, the better. I like it with lots of onions. And then from here, all right, we're gonna add the patty now. So that's a 5-ounce patty right there. And then in between, I'm gonna make this into a double burger. So in between that, I got my fried cheese. Put that right on top. And then put another patty right on there. Boom. All right, so lastly, I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So these mushrooms have been seasoned with chipotle seasoning. And we're pretty much all set here. So 2 patties, caramelized onions, sauteed mushrooms, fried cheese, black garlic, cilantro aioli. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. Let's try it out.
Let's try it out.
All right, do you think we can fit this all in one bite?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's try.
Okay.
Look at this thing, it's massive.
No.
Here, you take the first bite.
No.
No? All right, first bite, guys.
What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
Yeah, try it.
It's spicy.
No spicy at all.
And you like.
All right, so I seasoned the patty with my own special blend. So stay tuned on that. So I'm gonna smash this burger. All right, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Peace, guys.
Peace. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.